Hey guys, it's Sabi and Sabi again. First, I want to apologize for taking so long before we release another video. But it's not our fault, the circumstances beyond our control, right, love?
Yeah. Shimani gotta make.
And we have plenty stuff. We want to apologize for that. But today we are on the beach. And hey, all the way bossy. We're on the beach. And as you can see, I have my home knife, man. You know? Yeah, so I just check in. Plenty people don't know how to break salmon. You know, if you rest up in the countryside, you know how to break salmon, but a lot of people don't know how to break salmon. So we're going to pick salmon. First, we need to get something for us to pick the salmon from the tree. Check. So now we have our instrument for us to pick the salmon from the tree. Check. So now we're going to pick some salmon.
First, how many toes disappearing in the sand?
Okay, so now I see some salmon.
As if we can reach it though. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Leaves at all.
Yeah. Yeah, so when you feel you have some fresh almonds.
I am,
yeah,
baby.
So now you have fresh almonds.
AKA Zaman. See how we testing this stone?
Yeah, so we have found our stone. Make sure that well clean, and we are gonna break the salmon right now. You see, growing up in Grand Bay as a young boy, you see when you used to go by the bay and we hungry, man don't have no food. Salmon. That's what we used to pound off. I'm telling you for real now. Plenty salmon to eat, and that used to fill our stomach. Eh? So now I go and take a bite. You know, because you can eat the skin. Check me. That really soup. Babes, so you're gonna be taking a bite of the salmon. You ready?
I don't know if that's a good idea.
Of course it's a good idea.
You recording?
Yeah, I recording. Babes, bite the thing. Everybody waiting for you to bite that, you know, love. So let's go bite. Babes, take a big enough bite. What kind of a little thing is that now?
Only bitter. That's not nice. Don't understand.
What time it's not nice? Remember, you don't rest up in the countryside, you rest up in the town side.
I don't see nothing, so long my teeth go in there.
Babes, you have to bite out the skin. Bite deep enough.
Ah!
Babes, don't lie. You're not a patriotic Dominican.
That tie up all my mouth.
Babes, you're serious?
See that?
What happened to it? Babes, they think nice.
Only all my mouth tie.
You see, for people that don't raise up in the countryside, they cannot enjoy the good stuff Dominica have to offer. You can enjoy that.
Eating something random that came out from a tree that usually you see the fruit all on the floor, you cannot judge me for that.
I literally enjoy that.
I don't know.
Take a bite. You want some?
No. I had some. No. Not nice.
I'm putting the whole thing in my mouth.
Yeah. Ew! You have to brush your teeth before you kiss me again.
Yeah.
Mind your finger, we?
Trust me, I watch my finger. That'll go and tongue my finger. I know, love you. I doing that for how much years?
Okay, bro.
And you see, it has a special can. A can is like a corner. That is why you have to knock it for you to get that out. Hold, let me show you. You see it? And there you go. Woo! Hold!
You gonna give me that to eat first because a while ago you wanted me to eat this salmon
Of
first.
course I can give it to you. Let me put it in your mouth first. Say I rest in your tongue. Take a bite. Chew it. Chew the thing. Babes, chew the thing. How it tastes?
Nasty.
That's what I mean. What it tasting like?
Okay, no. It's not nutty taste. Again, but
Is that nice?
it's not something that I would go and pong just to eat. Number one, for that big thing, all those little things that I put in my mouth, man.
Really? The pleasure of that is ponging it, you know.
Yeah, for fun.
Yeah, but that is what the pleasure of it is.
I wouldn't just pong that to eat that little thing. And it's bitter, honestly.
It's not bitter.
Yes, it is. Look at ponging another one.
Huh?
Mind that, you boy, babe.
Babes, I'm not going to take. You know how much years I'm doing that for?
I always so cautious, eh? That's a joke.
Babes!
That's a joke.
Anyways, I must take my stuff.
That is a joke. For you?
Babes.
Let me see the finger.
Babes, that pong my finger there as well.
Sammy, and you go, leave it, we don't need it.
Babes, I must get out my stuff. Oh, that is part of it, see?
You just say you're pro. Mouth. You see? Mouth.
Okay, I give up.
We finish pong man. Sammy pong his finger.
Yeah. Okay. So now, that is how you burst in your zaman.
And your finger.
My finger doubles.
Yeah.